Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are continuing collection Dainty cushion. We started off with the ring and then we did the bracelets, and then last one was the pair of earrings, and today we're gonna work on the necklace. I made something a little bit different here. In all the previous ones we used fire polish, but in this one we're using Rondelle. So I'm using blacks and silvers for this tutorial. You're gonna need 4 8x10 Rondelles, 11 Miyuki, fire polish, 15 Miyuki, and a clasp. It's very easy, whatever clasp you want to use. So here I'm just using toggle clasp. For this one I'm going to use a magnetic clasp. And then of course you're going to need your needle, and to match the thread I think I'm going to use silver, so I'm going to use 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and thread my needle with 2 yards. We're going to start with our rondelles. I'm going to drop it down to the very end. You only need a little bit of tail left that you can sew in later, not a lot. And then make 3 overhand knots. And then I'm going to take my needle to the next rondelle and then pick up 4 11-0s, 1 fire polish, and then 4 11-0s. Then I'm going to go diagonally, come back through this bit here. And then pick up 4 11-0s. And then take your needle through the middle fire polish here. And then pick up 4 11-0s and then go here. Just help your beads settle a little bit, like so. Now pick up 10 11-0s. And then go through the same bead from the other side. Go through the next rondelle, pick up 10 11-0s. And then take it through the same bead through the other side. Go through the next rondelle, pick up 10 11-0s. Through the same bead through the other side. And the last rondelle, 10 11-0s through the same bead through the other side. Pick up a fire polish, go through the next rondelle. Pick up a fire polish, go through the next rondelle. Pick up a fire polish, go through the next, and the last one, go through the next. Now here I'm just going to reinforce a little bit. I'm going to go back through the 11-0s here, all of them. Then back through the rondelle, go through the fire polish, go through the 11-0s, go through the fire polish, go through the 11-0s, go through the fire polish, go through 11-0s, go through the fire polish, through 11 nose. Then go through the fire polish. I think I made the whole round now. And look, we have our unit ready. I'm just gonna reinforce a little bit going through some beads. Here I'm gonna go through the fire polish and come out of to 11 nose. Now it's time to add the chain part. So how long you make the chain is up to you. Now because I want it really dainty, I made it short, so this part literally sits on my collarbone. So I'm gonna make the same one, this one, because I think I'm gonna wear it during summer. So here, it's all repetitive. You're gonna pick up 15 nose, 1 fire polish, 15 nose, 1 fire polish. So you keep going, and in the end finish with the 50 nose. Pick up 15 nose and 1 fire polish. This is what I have. I'm gonna drop it down, and I'm gonna keep repeating that until I have my required length. I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units and finished off with 50 nose. So once I have the full length, I'm gonna meet you back here. So I have my required length. Now I'm gonna take one side of the clasp, take my needle through the clasp, and take my needle back through the beads. Just gonna pull my needle all the way through. So that's what I have. And I'm just gonna keep going through all the beads. Make sure not to skip any beads on the way. Almost there. So I'm out of all the 50 nose. And here you're coming out of the second 11 now. Go up through the third. Come out here. Leave the 2 beads on that side. And repeat the same thing. Add the same length of beads and add the second side of the clasp. So I went ahead and added it and then came back with my thread. I'm coming out of the 50 now, and then I'm gonna go down through to 11 nose. Now I'm just gonna go through the rondelle and go through all of the 11 nose. Now here, if you want to, you can go back here and reinforce your necklace. If not, you can just get rid of the tail. I'm not gonna bother. I'm yet to break a necklace, so I might use this as a trial, see how long it takes to break this necklace with no reinforcement on the chain. But I made it quite short, so it will be sitting just around my neck. So not much chance of it catching on anything. I will update you guys if something happens to it. I would recommend reinforcing it though. I'm just being lazy. I'm just reinforcing my work. Don't want to tie a knot, so if I just go back and forth a few times, it'll be pretty strong. Now thread your needle with this one, take it through a couple of beads and get rid of the tail. And it's done. This is gold. I realized you could wear it like this as well. Reminds me of clover. So both sides, so you can wear it both sides. Two-sided necklace. Same here. It's actually gorgeous on this side. And this is magnetic glass. I will leave all the materials in the description box with all the links, with all the codes and everything you need. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'm always happy to read your comments when I get a chance. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.